Hi everyone, my name is Aisha Wakar. I live in Ashburn, Virginia. I'm currently an RBT for a company located in Fairfax, Virginia. 3 things that I know or love about ABA are that ABA is very effective when it comes to working with individuals with autism. I also know that early intervention is very important when using ABA. It makes it even more effective. Third thing that I know is that ABA can be used with other individuals, not only individuals with autism. It can be used with individuals with substance disorder, and it can also be used with individuals that don't have a disability. I know that a lot of teachers use ABA in a regular class setting. And 2 things that I want to learn more are I want to learn how to talk like a BCBA. We're learning a lot of concepts and vocabulary in this course, so I would like to use those concepts and vocab properly when I'm talking to the parents and I'm talking with my team. I also would like to learn how to make effective lesson plans. One interesting thing about me is that I have a 12-month-old son. Thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to meeting you all. Bye.